Welcome to today's tutorial on how to add fonts to Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or a creative document, having access to a variety of fonts can enhance your design. In this video, we will show you how to add custom fonts to your Google Docs. Let's get started. 1. Access the Fonts menu. Look for the menu bar at the top of your document. Click on Extensions in the menu bar. 2. Get Add-ons. Hover over Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the add-on store. 3. Search for a font add-on. In the add-on store, search for a font add-on that you like. You can choose from popular options like Extensis Fonts or Google Fonts. 4. Install the font add-on. Click on the font add-on you want, then click the Install button. The add-on will be added to your Google Docs. 5. Select Fonts. Now, go back to your Google Docs document. Click on the Fonts menu, usually located next to the font size. You'll see a list of fonts, including the ones you just added. 6. Choose your custom font. Scroll through the available fonts, select the font you want to use in your document. 7. Apply the font. Your selected font will now be applied to the entire document. You can change fonts for specific sections or headings as needed. 8. Save and enjoy. Don't forget to save your document. Now you have a personalized font style for your Google Docs. Congratulations! You've learned how to add fonts to Google Docs. Experiment with different fonts to find the perfect one for your next project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.